So, unless you are living in an alternate universe or timeline in 2020, you've been working from home, learning from home, and if you're a magician like myself, performing from home. Also, if you are watching this video, you most likely want to know how I set up my home studio, or maybe just get some inspiration for your home studio. So stick around. Hey, what's up? It's me, Jeremy, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes and take a look at my current home studio setup. Plus, how am I going to transform this studio? First, let's take a look at my current setup. This is what it looks like from behind the scenes. That is my camera. I have a key light, which is the Godox SL60W right over here. Another light over there, that is my background lighting. Also the Godox SL60W with a blue color gel. My logo, some of my Kirigami cards, and of course this famous pop art from Thailand. Okay, so you get the idea. My room is very small. As you can see, 2 steps and I'll be, at the back of my room, and this is the amount of walking space I have. Okay, now let's get back to the table. So I never always had this setup. If you followed my YouTube journey starting this year, I was using different parts of this room as my background to shoot my videos and perform my virtual shows. In fact, when I first started, I was only using my MacBook Pro's front camera to do my shows because I didn't even own a capture card. This current setup works, I'm really happy with it, but the only downside is that it takes up a lot of floor space, and if I were to move the table to another angle, it can be quite hazardous walking in and out of the room. I have to dodge the light stand, the wires, the legs, and certain angles. I can't even close the door. Also, I wanted a setup that would easily allow me to have a top-down camera, either for my shows where I can give the audiences a change of view, or for my unboxing and review videos. Currently, I would erect another light stand with an overhead rig and mount a second camera, which makes it even harder for me to move about in the room. And so I started to look for inspiration, and I saw this video by DSLR Video Shooter and got inspired to build a similar setup for my own use. I went on to Taobao and found one company that makes these monitor arms, and it's called a multi-purpose live stream desk mount. Don't worry, I will leave the link in the description below. This desktop mount cost less than 100 Singapore dollars, and when I bought it, shipping was free. Now I'm going to tear down everything, change my key light to the Nanlite Forza 60 because it's way smaller. I mean, look at this. This is so tiny, it's literally smaller than the size of my hand. And also add a Blackmagic Design Atom Mini so that I can switch between cameras and lower thirds during my live shows, during my virtual shows or my live streams. I have an image of how this setup is going to look like, but I have no idea how it's actually going to turn out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Ta-da! It's done! Oh wait, you're looking at the same thing, right? I'll show it to you on this camera. Let me just go and turn on my lights. Okay, so here we go. So with the room light turned on, this place is, by the way, still in a mess. And didn't come with instructions, so I'm quite angry that I had to fix all this. So this is my camera right here, attached to one of the arms. And this is the double clamp that is supporting the whole weight onto the table, which is, this thing is really sturdy. Okay, that is my Nanlite Forza 60. Look how tiny it is. Some other attachments to attach this. What I really like about this is that this cable management system, so it actually goes inside here and then you can come out from anywhere. That is Let me go over this side. This is the laptop stand. Okay, if you want to put your laptop. If you don't have a DSLR camera to shoot your videos, it's fine because you can use your phone. They give you a phone mount as well, an iPad mount, yeah. And in fact, if you don't have fancy lighting like this, don't worry. It comes with a ring light. Ta-da! Okay, it has 3 settings, white, warm, and then half and half. So far, I'm really happy with this setup. Oh yeah, that's the microphone stand, which I'm going to mount a GoPro right there. Okay, to give me that overhead shot onto my table. As you can see, it's still pretty much in a mess, but more or less, this is how it looks like. Okay, so back to the normal setup. So this current setup is not complete yet. There's still a bit of tweaking to be done, but overall I'm very happy with this setup. Let me know if you like it in the comments below. To complete this setup, I would love to have a standing desk, not only for my videos or shows, but because I spend at least 8 to 14 hours a day in this room doing my stuff. Occasionally standing up would be good, right? So if any big companies would like to sponsor me, please contact me. OmniDesk, ErgoEdge, Royale, IKEA. Christmas is coming. Come on guys, you got this. One last thing, let me know in the comments below, what would you like to know more about this setup that I have. I promise to answer all of your questions. Also, if this video has helped you in some way, I appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It's free, and if you are feeling freaky, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to watch my videos when I upload them. Thank you for watching. For now, you guys take care, stay safe, stay positive, test negative, and I'll see you on the next one.